In this video, we're going to write decimal words expressed as words into numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says, write 8 3/100ths as a decimal number. So the first step is to use a place value chart. And here are the ones column, the tenths, and the hundredths. And the ones that end in THS, like this, are after the decimal. So that's how you know what the decimal place values are. So step 2, write in the whole number. So when we look at this, we know that 8 is a whole number. Because 3/100ths is associated with this wording, we know that this is the fraction part. So first let's put in the 8, and we put the 8 into the ones, okay? Next step, write in the fraction part. So 3/100ths is the same as 3 over 100. That's how you would express 3/100ths. So 3 goes in the hundredth spot. So we put the 3 in here. But what happens here? It's empty there. So when we have a number like that, we have to make sure that the final step is to put a 0 in the 10th spot. We can't just leave it blank. So we put it in 8.03. So our final answer is 8.03. I have another video that's similar to this one, but it actually has a number here. So just go through that video. It should appear in the description below. There's a link to it, and then it'll be completely clear. So also you could download the ebook and follow along in the ebook. These exact problems appear there, and then you can take notes and it'll remain in your head forever.